Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I make one of my most popular sets of coasters, the Galaxy Glamour set. You can find it on Etsy at 1213 Accessories. But anyways, let me get right into it. I'm just mixing my 2 equal parts of resin and hardener. I'm just gonna measure that out. These are little measuring cups because this time I was just making one set and I have to make like I think 2 different colors, the black and the white there. That is some black ink. I ran out of my other one. I got that one from Michael's, and I also for the white I got white paint. This is my first time working with paint, and I mixed it with the resin mixture and the hardener. You'll see that later though. But it's actually a white pearl, and I like that. So this is an updated version to the popular set. The white pearl actually came out really pretty. It had nice little specks in it, kind of like it was kind of iridescent. It was really pretty. But yeah, I'm just mixing this now and just getting that all mixed up. So now guys, I'm going to add the black ink. This is my first time working with the black ink and the white paint. So this is the black ink. This is actually alcohol ink. My first time working with alcohol ink, not ink period. Sorry, I take that back. Now I'm working with the paint. This is that white pearl color. I was kind of nervous, but I was kind of excited because I like trying new things. So I'm just gonna get that all mixed up and show it to you. So satisfying. Then I'm adding more because more is better. I had to get it to that perfect color. So yeah, just watch me get that to the color that I was trying to achieve. Now I'm still working on the mixtures, the colors, making sure they are to the desired level that I am trying to achieve. Now I'm gonna add the glitter. This is perfectly my favorite part. It's so satisfying. This is absolutely my favorite part. I love working with the glitter. It makes everything just look so pretty. But yeah, I'm just mixing this up. See, I'm adding more. I love it. It's very fine gold glitter. Oh my god, that from Michael's as well. I don't know the name of it, of the brand, but it is perfect. Fine glitter. It is perfect. Alright guys, now I am going to go in and start pouring my mixtures into the molds. I kind of love every step. I was just going to say I love this step, but I think I've said I love every step so far. But I like pouring it in. I'm just going to smooth some of that out. So I'm just about to pour these in, and that's all I'm going to be doing, guys, and just cleaning up a little as I go. So there we go. All right, so this next step, you guys, I'm actually holding both mixtures because this is a half and half coaster, half the white mixture, half the black mixture. So it's very tricky, and you have to almost pour them at the exact same time. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm watching it very carefully. You can kind of see it spreading as a result, but yeah, I thought I would explain that. And then I'm just pouring like the rest of my mixture. I did find that the paint, it almost is acting as if it wanted to separate from the resin, like in a weird way, but it ended up turning out fine. You'll see later. But yeah, that is, I wanted to check in and let you guys know what I was doing, how I achieved the half and half look. All right, guys. So it is the next day. I have let that layer harden. I'm going to go over these with a clear mixture of just clear resin mixture with gold glitter, because that's the top layer. So you can kind of, when you look through, you see the bottom layer with glitter. It's really beautiful. I just had the idea for it one day and I just kept doing it. But yeah, and then one of them is going, it used to be both of them. The other two that don't have the clear mixture had a black mixture on top that was black and glitter. But I'm just gonna do one because I think the set needed a change up. It needed a all white one as well, like the one I'm doing now. So you will see that. I'm just gonna pour the clear over that one as well, so you can see that. And I'm gonna do one of the next ones black and one of them clear as well. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is the finished product. Look how shiny they are. I love this. It's so shiny, so pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just showing you just up close look. I'm sure that's why people love these. I love recreating this one. And I'm just gonna pop them out of the mold here and just look how shiny and precise they are. So pretty. That one's half and half. That one's half and half in a different way. Just look at how amazing these are. Yay. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.